Hello, students. Today, we have to learn about the vaccines. So, what happens when you get a vaccine? So, what's a vaccine? Vaccine is a heat-killed or attenuated or weakened virus or bacteria that will induce immunity. So, what happens when you get a vaccine? When you get a vaccine, your body is introduced to a harmless version of a virus or bacteria or a part of it, like a protein. So, this will induce immunity. So, this doesn't make you sick, but it does teach your immune system how to recognize and fight the real germ if it ever shows up in the future. Means the immune system, the adaptive immune system, have to learn about the threat, about the presence of some virus or bacteria. And when it will know about it, then it will start activation of cells, B cells and T cells, and then it will produce immunity against it. So we see that when we get a vaccine, our body is introduced to a harmless version of bacteria or virus or part of it, like a protein. This doesn't make our body sick, but it does teach our immune system how to recognize and fight the real germ if it ever shows in future. So the first thing is that introduction of our immune system to an antigen. The vaccine contains an antigen or immunogen, a small safe part of the pathogen like a protein or killed virus or maybe DNA or maybe this RNA. This acts as a wanted poster for your immune system. So the immune system activation will take place when vaccine will enter in our body, the immune system will get activated. Your white blood cells recognize the antigen as foreign. They activate other immune cells, including T cells and B cells, which help eliminate the invader. So first thing is entry of the pathogen and then activation of the immune system and creation of memory will take place. After clearing the there at your immune system creates memory cells that remember the antigen. These cells stay in your body for years, even a lifetime. So the first point is entry. Second time is introduction of this pathogen or immunogen to the immune system, and immune system will generate memory cells which can last for whole life. Those cells will live for the whole life. So memory will last for whole life. And the fourth one is that fast response to real infection. If you are ever exposed to the actual virus or bacteria, Our body recognizes it immediately and launches a fast and powerful attack on preventing illness or making it much milder. So our immune system will have memory cells and will recognize that pathogen when it will enter in the living form and will tackle it effectively and will remove from the body effectively. And then it will not be able to cause a disease. So vaccination not only protects you, but also helps protect those around you by reducing the spread of disease. This is called herd immunity. So if we start a vaccination program and about maybe 60-70% of the population get immunized, then the rest of the people will not be in need for this immunization because this immunization of 70% or 75% people will reduce the chances of spread of the disease. And this is called herd immunity. So anyway, so when vaccine will enter, it will activate our immune system and then it will generate memory. And when the actual pathogen will enter in our body at any time, then our immune system will check it and will destroy it and neutralize it and or protect our body against that infection. Thank you. See you then.